and hold until the next caller arrives.
Hello friends, today we are going to install OBIEE. First of all, we have to install the RCU. Okay. Now I'm going for the RCU software. I'm having RCU software on my desktop. You can see here. When I click on this RCU software, this RCU folder, in this folder we can see your bin. In this bin we are having RCU. We have to search for RCU. Just RCU. Run as administrator. Okay. Now you see this is the repository creation utility. Here you can see left side. The first step is creating a repository. You can see welcome, create a repository. Now we can go for next. If you want to create a repository, if you want to drop a repository, you have to select this one. If you want to create, you can create. You can see. If you want to create the schemas, you create and load component schemas into database, then we have to create this one. Okay, the next step is the database connection details. This is the second step. Localhost means we have to give the computer name. Port means the database port. Service name is ORCL of database. Username is sys. The password is the database password, sys password. Now click on next. This is the second step. You can see checking pre-requirements. Okay, click on OK. Next we have to select, you can see here, create a new prefix. Dev is created. Here we have to select OBI. This is the third step. You can see select components. This is the schemas, you can see. Now we can go for next. Okay. Here we have to give the password. Of your schemas password. This schemas password you have to give for dev MDS dev BF platform. Next. Click on OK. Okay. Then click on create. Repository created is progress, you can see. After this we have to install OBIE. Okay. Now it's complete. You can see successful. Now close. Now I'm going for OBIE. In OBIE you can see in OBIA software in disk 1. In disk 1 there is setup is there. In this setup we have to right click and run as administrator. Yes. Listen, see. OBIEE11G installer. Okay. I'm clicking on next. You have to select skip software updates. Next. Here you can see here simple installation is there, enterprise installation is there, software software only there. But we have to install enterprise install for OBIA. Okay, if you want only OBIEE installation, you can go for simple installation, but we are going for OBIA. That's why I'm selecting enterprise install. Now click on next. It will check, not a problem, is operating system. I'm clicking on next, continue. Okay, here you can see create new BI system. You can see domain name is also there, WebLogic is our username. I'm giving the password here. Okay, next. Here we have to give the location. Okay, you can see C drive. Okay, this is the location, you can see here. Okay, now click on next. You see middleware localhost fat file. Want to continue? Yes. Okay, now click on next. You can see here for OBIA home will create here. Okay, the connection string means localhost means computer name, database number. This is the schema where we are created when we install RCU. Platform, the password which we have given when we are installing RCU. Next. You see this is also the schema. This is created when we created the RCU. Next. Automatic port configuration. Next. Hello. You see, you wish to reset it now. Yes, yes, install.